Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Fanatics. If you're a sushi lover like me, you know that spicy tuna is a must-try dish. Today I'm taking you on a delicious journey across the USA to discover 10 spicy tuna spots that you absolutely need to try. So grab your chopsticks and let's dive in. Don't miss the end because I am going to reveal some travel tips to these spots. Starting in the heart of Manhattan at Nobu Downtown on 195 Broadway. Their signature spicy tuna roll might seem simple, but Chef Matsuhisa's secret blend of 7 different chilies makes this New York institution's version unforgettable. Pro tip: make reservations at least 2 weeks in advance. Head west to Sugarfish Beverly Hills on North Cannon Drive, Los Angeles. Trust me, their crispy rice with spicy tuna is worth the notorious wait times. Visit during weekday lunch hours to avoid the crowds. While you can find Pokeworks nationwide, their flagship store in Mountain View, California, 185 Castro Street, serves what they call the volcanic spicy tuna bowl. Silicon Valley tech workers line up daily for this ghost pepper-infused creation. In South Beach, Miami, Blue Ribbon Sushi Bar and Grill at the Plymouth Hotel transforms traditional tacos into something extraordinary. Their Ocean Drive location offers these unique seaweed shell tacos during their legendary happy hour from 5 to 7 p.m. Morimoto Philadelphia, located in the historic Old City District at 723 Chestnut Street, serves this infamous roll. Iron Chef Masaharu Morimoto himself designed this combination of habanero and 7-spice powder, available only during dinner service. At Zuma Las Vegas, inside the Cosmopolitan Resort, this architectural marvel stands tall. Visit during their weekend brunch service when the tower comes as part of their signature omakase experience. Sen Chicago, nestled in the West Loop at 814 West Randolph Street, brings Japanese-Italian fusion to life. Their late-night menu, available Thursday through Saturday until 1 a.m., features this crowd favorite. Downtown Nashville's Acme Feed and Seed, housed in a historic Broadway building, gives the city's signature heat a seafood twist. Visit during live music nights for the full Nashville experience. Morimoto San Francisco in the vibrant Soma District, 252 California Street, elevates tartare to an art form. Make reservations for the chef's counter to watch the masters at work. Our journey ends at Matsuhisa Beverly Hills on North La Cienega Boulevard. This is where Chef Nobu's empire began, and their volcano roll remains unmatched. Request a table in the downstairs dining room for the full experience. Travel tips. Most locations accept reservations through their websites or apps. All featured restaurants offer takeout options. Several spots have multiple locations. Nationwide, check each restaurant's social media for daily specials. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these spots or share your local spicy tuna favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to catch our next food adventure.